Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Kumar. Today I am going to discuss about National Aboriginal Forestry Association and when and where National Aboriginal Forestry Association has been developed and why it started. Along with all of this stuff, I am sharing a little bit myself with you. Let's talk about myself. As I said earlier, my name is Sandeep Kumar. I'm from Punjab region of India. Well, I'm a nature lover and I like to spend time with Mother Nature very much. As well as I'm a writer and most of my writing is about nature and related with nature like birds, animals, trees, air, water and soil. Presently, I'm a Lindsay by taking course at Fleming College and my past education was based on agricultural science. Now I'm doing fish and wildlife. Now move to National Aboriginal Forestry Association. It established in 1989. Harry M. Bombay, the Executive Director of National Aboriginal Forestry Association, has said indigenous people has had great importance for forestry business benefits because they have great traditional knowledge of forestry which is helpful in business and in sustainable forestry management. Now this is the video about sustainable solutions and you can see that in this video Andrew talking about the importance of First Nation people for business purpose and Aboriginal communities contribute in forestry industry.
Forest companies, business, and Aboriginal communities. Forest companies are uniquely positioned to have strong, long-standing relationships with Aboriginal communities. Many forestry companies have been working in remote communities for 50 or 100 years. Aboriginal communities can and do provide strong and local workforces in these remote communities. So, I think that Canadians need to understand that out there from the business perspective, there are a lot of success stories between our First Nations and the forestry industry and the business of forestry. And I think that if we could find some of those real success stories, turn it into a national story and share that kind of progress, that we might find that we're building the dialogue and sharing the successes. And I think it's about sharing those successes.
Next, in this slide, we will know about Aboriginal forestry in Canada. It brings socio-economic benefits for Aboriginal people and communities such as economically, socially, culturally. We know every association has some goals. Similarly, National Aboriginal Forestry Association have three goals. First of all, by proper protect and support to indigenous people, they can do better in forestry, which help to enhance the forestry business. The main role of National Aboriginal Forestry Association is to meet requirement of community which is related to forestry. Further, it protect wildlife because Wildlife maintain the balance of ecosystem and it work for the establishment of forest area for recreation and tourism attraction, traditional culture and for spiritual use. In the last, I will discuss about why does it relate to our course. Well, forest is the lungs of earth and it contributes to maintain the earth ecosystem. Forests are the home of wildlife. Moreover, it helpful to consume the wildlife. Forests provide good opportunity to First Nation to work with forest companies and protect the wildlife by doing Aboriginal forestry and it enhances the mutual benefits. This is the most important part of assignments and presentation. These are the references of above content and thank you everyone for listening to me.